Frases úteis para fazer reparos e DIY.
Can you help me fix this? Could you take a look at this? There's a leak in the ceiling. The faucet is dripping. The light bulb is burned out. The paint is peeling. The floorboard is creaking. I need to fix the leaky faucet. Can you help me paint the walls? The door hinge is broken. I need to replace the light bulb. The window is stuck. Can you help me move the furniture? I need to fix the cracked tile. The sink is clogged. I need to install a new shelf. Can you help me hang the picture? The carpet needs to be replaced. The wall has a crack. I need to repair the hole in the wall. Can you help me fix the fence? The roof is leaking. I need to replace the broken window. The light switch is not working. Can you help me install the new light fixture? The door is squeaking. I need to oil the door hinges. I need a screwdriver. Where's the hammer? Pass me the pliers, please.